Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, you can do it one of two ways. You can either go to Navi on the audio system, or if you click the star button here, which is the menu, and then navigate to navigation, that's bringing the screen up the map. If you click it again, you've got menu, and then click that again, and you've got the actual menu of the audio system. And we want destination, which is in the bottom right hand corner. Destination there, it's on address entry already, so we click address entry, and then you've got postcode at the back here, which is the easiest way to do it. So pull the selector back to postcode, select postcode, and then we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. It's defaulted to numbers now, so PR54, and then JS. So PR54JS is at the top. We have to select it again, even though we've just spelt it out for the system. And then you've got continue, so select continue. Now we've got to tell it to start, so you've got start, click start.
Make a U-turn if possible. The crossroad is the destination.
And it's confused because we're sat on the forecourt, but it's not the easiest system to use, but it is a good efficient system. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz E Class. Easiest way, if we click telephone on the audio system there, you'll see at the bottom you've got connect devices and options. If you go to connect devices and select, you see Barry's iPhone. That's the one I want to delete, so I navigate down to that, and then you've got a menu on the right hand side. If I knock the selector across, you've then got another menu comes up: deauthorize, details, reception volume, and so on. So I want to deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize this device, Barry's iPhone 11? So select yes and click, and that's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, you can either use this selector here. If you click the star, it brings, click the star, it brings the menu up, and then navigate to telephone, click telephone, brings that screen up, or you can just click telephone there and you're onto the same screen. And you see there at the bottom options and connect device. Now if that's not highlighted like so, if you just pull the selector back towards you, that takes it onto the bottom line, and we want connect device, so click connect device. There you see it's already on search for phones. If you've never used it before, it's not immediately obvious, so you just want to make sure search for phones. Click search for phones, select, and then again, even though you've told it to search for phones, you've got to click start search. You make sure that Bluetooth is switched on like so, and then we're watching out for the bottom, and we click start search. It's already picked up my phone there, so if I just turn it down to Barry's iPhone, click select, there you go. Does the passkey 566787 match? So pair, and then click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. You would be wanting yes. Authorization successful. Do you want to search for a Wi-Fi hotspot? Well, I don't. Let's see, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. So that's it. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this Mercedes-Benz, a 2000 Mercedes-Benz E Class, from any screen. We'll just take you to the sat-nav screen. You can either click the star here and then navigate to media like so, or just click the media button on the radio, and you'll see there it's not showing you anything really. If you go to your phone, the red triangle and the 3 red circles, if you click there, it's just showing iPhone. It's not showing the Mercedes Benz, even though it is paired to the system. So we have to knock the selector forward. That highlights the menu at the top. Then click on media. Again, memory card. It's not really, I mean, you could easily just not know what to do there. But if you turn the selector to Bluetooth audio, click on Bluetooth audio, it's saying no Bluetooth audio device connected, even though your phone, I'm the only one in the car, and my phone is connected. Now, you go down to options, click back towards your options, click on options, Bluetooth audio devices, click on Bluetooth audio devices, and there you see, finally, Barry's iPhone. Click on Barry's iPhone. That's connecting it, and it's come up here, Mercedes Benz Bluetooth. I'll turn that down. We'll turn the radio up, because it's one of those clutch systems and that you can't turn it. The faster you turn the radio down, the slower it actually turns down. So we'll turn that up here, and then that's it. Just using the volume on my iPhone to turn it up and down. That's how you stream audio. So sometimes it's not as simple as it could be, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.